How to create a TikTok collection in 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply create a TikTok collection. So we'll dive into it. First of all, what we're gonna do is open the TikTok application on your mobile phone devices. Once we open it, this is the video that we like. So to add it into our favorites or into our collection, we just are going to go and tap on the share that is at the right corner of the screen. Once we tap on it, so we're just going to go at the very bottom and scroll it left side, and we're going to add it to favorites. When we are going to tap on add to favorites, this is going to be added, and then we are going to tap on it. So then we're going to name the collection. For example, XYZ is the name of that collection, and that this dialog box states add to collection. When I'm going to tap on save, eventually the collection or that video would be saved to the collection of TikTok. So this is how you do it. This is how you save, or this is how you add TikTok collection. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.